Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back at it again. It's been a few days since I've been to work on the car. We had a cold day. I took the day off, and then last couple days it was nice out, and I got that spring cleaning bug. Cleaned up around the shop, just blew everything out, wiped everything down, organized some stuff, moved some stuff around. Normally I try and keep up on it every couple of days, but over the winter, I kind of slacked off on the whole cleaning part. So try to keep the shop clean, but as far as opening the doors and blowing everything out, when it's cold out, that just doesn't happen. So I don't know if you guys can hear it in the microphone, but it is pouring rain outside, and I have a hot tin roof, so the rain can be a little noisy. It's been raining like a son of a gun all day. So today I'm going to start with some patches. I have a patch that I need to make up here. I had sandblasted this area, and I coated it with some rust proofing stuff. And I was just going to seam seal the couple of holes that are here. The computer goes there, and you get the kick panel. It's all hidden underneath there. You'd never see it. And that was my plan. That's what I was going to do. But it's just the more that I keep going and I keep fixing more and more stuff, that bothers me. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out, weld the patch in, get it done properly. Then I don't have to think about it anymore. And we'll see where I'm at with that. Once I'm done with that, probably going to move on to the seat belt here and get that taken care of. Make a decision with that. I'm still kind of undecided. Originally, I was just going to weld a piece of metal over it. I had sandblasted it, rust proofed it. I was going to weld a piece of metal over it just so that it had strength back to it. Now I think I'm just going to cut it all out and just fix it and put it back together the way that it should be. So here we go. Thanks for joining us. Looks like there's a body mount there. That's probably why it's rusting out. Got a good area for everything to get in there and get trapped. Just gonna brush a little rust proofing back in here. I blew it out and cleaned it out. Lock came out. It's pretty crunchy in there. If I can get to it and protect it, I'm gonna. Cleaning out my shop, I found a whole lot of scrap metal, so we're going to utilize it. Oh, I think I made it too small. It's just a little too short. That's better. Now I got enough room. We'll put this somewhere else. Okay, I got that one in up there. Much happier with it. Now I'm going to start with this seat belt. We'll see what I get done over here. Guess I'll move the camera around and make it so you guys can see it. Hopefully it don't get dripped out. Okay. So there's a little rock hole here, here, and here. No guy there. So I'm gonna try and cut just this section out. Try and miss the spot welds so that the seatbelt thing in the back don't fall out. We'll see how it goes. Now, I know normally I put the rust proofing agent behind this, but I mean, it wouldn't even, where I got my spot welds and then welding around the edges here, like, I mean, it would be the size of a dime. It looks like I can get this whole bottom edge from underneath, so I'll just hit that. His bottom section welded beautifully, but this top section across here, because of all the rust between the two metals, yeah, it didn't like that. Okay, we got this patch in. I'm happy with it. I didn't go crazy on the grinding, so I wanted to leave some strength there. I really don't like messing with the seatbelt stuff, but what I did has to be better than the rust that was there. So it's got to have its strength back in there. I didn't want to grind all the welds down and get them completely flat and take away some of that strength. So I left the welds a little meaty, and I'm good with that. So on to the next patches. But I think I'm almost out of battery life on my microphones. So I think I'm going to call it a night for recording. And we'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks, everybody, for joining us. I'm out.